For 3 generations, the Majek family has made a commitment to the highest level of quality and performance. This is why the competitors in the Texas Redfish Series choose Majek 4-1 over any other brand of boat. Whether you're looking for the shallow draft of the redfish line, the speed of the extreme, or the combination of both with a new Illusion, take a look at Majek Boats and you will see why they are leaving the competition behind. It was a hot and windy August day, but that did not affect the fishing. Majek owners brought in catches of trout, flounder, redfish, and black drum. Many teams took advantage of the bonus weight for weighing in live fish. At the end of the day, it was time to give away the grand prize, Majek Illusion.
Had a pretty awesome day today. I mean, I had a great time. I think Jeremy had fun. I think Debbie had fun. We caught some nice fish. First place for a little while. I think we're in third right now. Couldn't get the trout going, but I think overall we did okay with the flounder and the redfish. So, you know, small trout, but it worked.
You think you should have taken Jeremy's advice?
I probably should have taken his advice and went hunting drum instead, but we might have paid dearly for it, but I think we still come out all right.
Debbie, how did it go for you?
I think fishing was great today for me, because usually I sit and don't catch anything. But because someone kept their mouth shut today, I did all right.
I think it was a great day for the family. We had a wonderful time. Everything turned out great. Awesome trip.
At the end of the day, everyone gathered for a barbecue feast as we crowned the champions and gave out lots of door prizes. The grand finale was the Majek Boat giveaway. Each angler received a raffle ticket for every pound of fish they weighed in. 10 anglers were drawn to get into the boat, and then one by one, the participants were eliminated until we had one winner.
The name we draw is the person that gets out of the boat. The last one in that bucket wins. What's your name, sir? Jimmy Sharp. Jimmy Sharp? Jeff Wheeler. That's an old boss of Wheeler, man. Jimmy Sharp.
You like the catch? Redfish. And what's your name? Ryan, what kind of fish you catch?
Trout.
Nice. And you, little Mr. Shimmick, what did you catch today? Trout and 2 drum. My gosh, you look just like your dad. You got that same old smile. And what's your name? What kind of fish do you catch?
I didn't catch anything, but I worked hard.
You worked hard, and what?
Closed captioning provided by Texas Tops, custom aluminum fabrication. Customize your boat with Texas Tops.